I tell you what, the weather's really going to slide downhill by this time tomorrow. We're going to have strong winds and blowing dust. We're calling that an impact day. When those winds crank up, you're probably going to want to be inside. A high fire threat and showers and storms will be on the increase over the weekend. We've been bone dry for several weeks now, and that's about to change. All right, there you see showers and thunderstorms that'll work on into eastern parts of the state for tomorrow. But the bigger story for most of us will be the strong winds. Here are the projected wind gusts. You can see 40, 50 mile per hour wind gusts, very common throughout much of New Mexico. Most of this will be deeper into the afternoon, and that's why we have a wind advisory in effect. Taos, Santa Fe, Albuquerque on into southwestern parts of the state for winds gusting to 50 to 55 miles an hour. So yeah, that could create areas of blowing dust, low visibility, dangerous crosswinds. You got the whole idea there. As we look at that high fire threat, that will be in play throughout much of our viewing area, and unfortunately it will be even stronger winds tomorrow out toward Mora County, where they're currently battling that fire. There could be some strong to severe storms toward the Texas state line. Even an isolated tornado can't be ruled out in this yellow area near Clayton. All right, let's walk you through what we're expecting. First of all, in the morning, it will be fine. You can beat the wind, but as we get to the afternoon, those sustained winds get up to 37 miles an hour, and we could be gusting over 50 miles an hour. Notice this is when a lot of you are getting off of work, and so you probably just want to hunker down inside once you make it home. There's a strong storms throughout northeastern parts of the state and along the extreme eastern section of New Mexico. The winds will be strong area-wide, not much in the way of rain, and then the front kind of pulls away from us. We get the northwest wind, so still moderately windy from areas around the Four Corners, Santa Fe, Albuquerque on into northeastern parts of the state. And we finally get the door opening for some Gulf moisture to back in. As we look at the upcoming weekend, we could have a return of showers and thunderstorms scattered across the area this weekend. The Four Corners region forecast for tomorrow, it will be windy for tomorrow and even stronger winds as that system exits on Thursday, and then we get to the isolated to scattered showers thereafter going into Mother's Day weekend, and strong winds with that high fire threat and areas of blowing dust southwestern New Mexico, and then temperatures start to rebound as we get toward the end of the week, and then those scattered showers and thunderstorms will be working in going into the weekend. 89 over in Fort Sumner, and realize we're going to have strong winds, gust over 40 miles an hour, very warm as well, and showers and thunderstorms starting to back in with that Gulf moisture, and realize the extreme eastern portion of the state will have those strong to severe storms like up around Clayton down into the Tucumcari area. Windy from the East Mountains on into the Las Vegas area. Wind advisories are in play for gusts over 50 miles an hour. Still pretty windy on Thursday, and showers and thunderstorms will work back into the area with increasing moisture as we get into the weekend. 62 in Red River, but the big story will be winds throughout northern parts of New Mexico, areas of blowing dust, and then finally much needed moisture. Not constantly over Mother's Day weekend, but it'll be something to work around at times. And then 70s and 80s for your daytime highs, with those winds gusting to 50 miles an hour with areas of blowing dust. So probably just stay inside as much as you can in the afternoon. Moderately windy on Thursday, and then isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday, Mother's Day, on into the early part of next week. So we just got to grin and bear it for tomorrow. Well, not necessarily grin, but we've got to bear it, and then it does start to improve thereafter.
Hey, but the 80, if I ignore the other part, I grin.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you like the warm stuff. I know you do.
All right, thanks, Jerry.